How to fix if people cannot hear me on my iPhone. So if people cannot hear you on your iPhone during calls, voice messages or FaceTime, then don't worry. First of all, what you have to do is clean your microphone. Your iPhone has multiple microphones, bottom, front, back. Check for dust, lint or debris in the bottom mic next to the charging port, the top front mic near the selfie cam, and lastly, the rear mic near the camera. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean them gently. Now, after all this, simply try restarting your iPhone. Hold the power plus volume button or just power on older iPhones. Then you'll get to see slide to power off option available on your screen. And simply slide to power off and wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Now, once you are on your home screen, all you have to do is tap on the settings app option available in there. So now, once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Now again, once you tap on the general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.